As if you needed more reasons to love your little fluff ball, owning a pet can actually solve all your problems. Really, it's science. Hey D-News friends, Laci Green here. So guys, I've been thinking about getting a puppy. I mean, who doesn't want a sweet little fluff ball to come home to who gives you unconditional love and cuddles? Evil people. That's who. And since I'm a woman of science, I started reading up on some studies about owning pets. And after a little reading, I'm like, wow, it's kind of a miracle that I've survived this long without a pet. There's an endless list of positive benefits for physical and emotional health if you own a pet. For instance, a National Institutes of Health study done on 240 married couples found that those who owned pets had lower blood pressure and heart rates than couples who didn't. Petting cats and dogs also lowered blood pressure in child patients with hypertension. Spending time playing greatly reduces levels of the stress hormone called cortisol while boosting the happy mood hormone called serotonin. It's like free brain drugs, people. That effect plus the fact that pets will always listen to you and be there for you means that pets can also aid treatment for depression. Now, dogs in particular have extra benefits because they change your lifestyle more so than other pets. You need to walk them and play with them, so they motivate us to get off our butts and exercise. Dog owners get in more physical activity, which means lower cholesterol levels. Another NIH study found that for adults who suffered heart attacks, patients who owned a dog were significantly more likely to still be alive after a year than those who did not. You hear that? For some, the protective effect of having a pet can literally be the line between life and death. Now, dogs and cats aren't the only pets that will help you out either, so if you have allergies, fear not. You could also get an aquarium. Aquariums might sound a little more boring, but you have to admit, they are very soothing and tranquil. Watching little fishies swim around makes me feel all happy inside, and it lowers stress levels, blood pressure, and anxiety, which is an effect called aquarium therapy. Aquarium therapy has been used to help calm children with hyperactivity disorders, and it's also been used to calm freaked out dental patients, which is like most of us. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Hypnosis found that when dental patients watch aquariums, they experience a relaxing effect similar to hypnosis, and they required less pain medication during procedures. Now you know why lots of dentists have aquariums. They're using some science to calm your brain down. Now, with all these awesome perks, it's no surprise that people who own pets also have 15 to 20% fewer annual visits to the doctor, which means, okay, maybe pets can't solve all your problems, but they can solve a nice chunk of them. So, I'm pretty sure that I just convinced myself to get a pup. Now I just need to figure out that whole tiny city apartment problem. So do you guys have pets? Do you feel like they help you through tough times and keep you healthier? Tell me about it down below or on Twitter @DNews. I'll see you next time.